Hello everyone. Let's take a section of the top of the hair, make a braid, and then divide this braid into two more braids. Join it in the center to make it look like a heart, make two braids on either side, join it all together. Take a section from the top of the hair and then begin to braid this section of the hair. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections from either side of the hair into it. Now, as you progress, make sure that it is loosely put but firmly put. Make two ponytails at the bottom. Once you reach the bottom, add a rubber band in the middle of it, roll the hair in on itself, make a braid with the second half, roll it up and tie a ponytail. Do the same on the other side. Next, start off by tying two ponytails. Take a section of each of these ponytails, add a rubber band in the middle, roll it in on itself, and lift it up after pulling the other section through. Next, make a braid at the top. Underneath it, join two sections of the hair on one side, make a ponytail. At the bottom, make another ponytail, roll the hair in on itself as such, and twist the excess around it. Make a bun out of it. Take a section from the top and the middle and then make a braid out of it as such. Now make a loop out of it and then as you reach the middle, include more sections of the hair into this braid as such. Continue to include more sections of the hair into it. Now once you reach the bottom, you may normally braid the hair. Do this on either side and then at the back begin to make a French braid. That is, include sections of the hair from both sides as you progress with this braid. Once you have done this, include one section as the braid you have made on the side as well. Now make a normal braid at the bottom and once you are done with the braid, roll it up and after you have rolled it up, add a bow to it. Next, divide the hair into four parts. Then, taking the right bottom and the left top, join the two together and then begin to braid the hair as such. Do the same on the alternate side where you join the left bottom and the right top. Make a braid out of it. Lift both of these braids up on the top and then clip it up in place once you are done. Next, start off by dividing the front of the hair into multiple sections. Make two braids out of it and then make a heart shape at the back. Now join the braids together as well. Make multiple sections on the side and the front. Take a small section at the back in a triangular shape. Tie a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself. Make two braids out of it and make a bow shape, tie a ponytail at the back. Next, start off by tying two ponytails on either side and then begin to braid the hair as such. Take a small section of this ponytail and then begin to include sections from either side of the hair into it. Now, as you progress, continue to include the sections of the hair from the bottom as well. It'll be a slightly puffy hairstyle, however, this is what it'll look nice. Now, continue to do this until you reach the bottom. Once you are out of sections of the hair, you may roll it up and then tie it up in place. Use a bobby pin. Next, make two sections in the front, make two ponytails, make two braids out of it accordingly. Join these braids at the back and tie another rubber band to it. Thank you for watching.